Based on the property of multiple reflection, there is a toy which you must have seen. It is called kaleidoscope, and a kaleidoscope works on the principle of multiple reflection. This is the simple diagram of a kaleidoscope. In this, you are seeing eye has been shown, and the picture which shows three mirrors are there. These are the three mirrors which are put at in the shape of a triangle, and the three mirrors are joined together with a tape, and on one side you are seeing there are glass pieces are shown. So the basic structure is that you need three mirrors which are joined together in the shape of a triangle, and on one side you put glass bangles. When we see through the glass mirrors, then on the other side the bangles are reflected on the three mirrors which are placed in the form of a triangle. So inside the three mirrors, the image of the bangles are seen in this shape. Now this is one shape. The shape can be many. There are different patterns formed because of the bangles which are reflected from the three mirrors in the shape of a triangle. Now these are some of the pictures which look like beautiful patterns. These patterns are formed depending upon the color of the glass pieces or the bangles which you have put on the kaleidoscope one side. So when we rotate the kaleidoscope, the three triangular prism and the three triangular glass blocks, then we see these patterns which make it look like a. So what was happening when we see it through the three triangular glass pieces? We are seeing the design on this side, and the patterns are seen because these three triangular glass pieces are reflecting from the three surfaces. So multiple images are formed because three mirrors are roughly placed at an angle of 60 degree. So we calculated in the formula that if mirrors are put at an angle of 60 degree, then how many images will be formed? If we solve, then 360 divided by how many, what is the degree? It is 60 degree. When you divide, answer is 6. 6 means 6 minus 1. So 5 images are formed on the sides of the mirror. So 5 images combined together to give the beautiful patterns which you have seen. So this is just a toy, and this kaleidoscope is used to generate designs which are used by designers for getting patterns. So every time you rotate the glass pieces which are put on the one side, they change their position and multiple designs are formed. Next device which you have studied earlier is a periscope. It also works on multiple reflection. In this picture you can see what is the basic structure of a periscope. In a periscope there are two mirrors which are placed at two places, first mirror and the second mirror, and the person who is seeing, he is seeing from the first mirror. The first mirror reflects the image from the second one, and the object is at the top. Object is here and the person is in the object at a lower part. So a periscope is a device which is used to locate objects which are situated at a higher altitude. The two mirrors are put at an angle of 45 degree, and when they are put at this angle of 45, the first mirror and the second mirror which are placed at 45 degree, they reflect the image, that is the light which is entering from the top. It is reflected at an angle of 90 degree, and the ray of light passes from the first mirror, it goes and then it comes down, and then it is reflected to the person who's seeing it. So the image is starting from the top, it is reflected from the second mirror, and then it enters the eye of the second person so the angle of reflection is 90 degree and the person sees the image by being at the lower altitude. From this picture it is clear that what is the benefit of a periscope. A periscope is used by a submarine. In this you are seeing a submarine shown which is under the water, and the periscope is situated above the water. So what happens, the people who are floating under the water, they are able to see things which are above the water by not moving out of the water. So they can keep on floating under the water, and with the help of periscope the image of things which are situated above the water can be seen at a lower altitude inside the water. So that is the work of periscope, and it also works on the principle of multiple reflection. There is reflection from two mirrors.